Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The first thing that I want to say is please excuse my hair. I am going to a wedding, so this is why my hair is pinned up like this. But I was like, I have to make this video anyway. If you're watching this video, I'm probably like the millionth person you watched on this iPhone 13 unboxing. I'm super duper excited. I did a previous one unboxing my 11 and that video did really good. I'm going to link that down below. People really enjoyed that video, so I hope this video does just as great or even better. I hope y'all enjoy this video. So let's just get straight into the iPhone 13. I had it actually for more than a week now, y'all. I've been meaning to do this video, but it's just been so hectic. So y'all look at it. I'm so excited. So my video is about to be on fleek this weekend for this wedding. So the first thing I want to talk about is the size of the boxing, y'all. It's just got way smaller. Like, I remember when it used to be like this thick, but you know, now that it come with less things, the boxing has gotten smaller. So honestly, y'all, if I could go back, I kind of wish I got the pink iPhone. Pink used to be my favorite color, but now it's purple. But whatever, y'all. This is the iPhone that I purchased. I have the iPhone 13 Starlight color in I have 512 gigabytes. So the only reason that I upgraded to the iPhone 13 is because I needed more storage. My iPhone 11 has 128 gigabytes, but because I use it to record content for my business, to take pictures of the wigs and everything that I sell, plus my own personal pictures, I love to take pictures a lot. So because I basically ran out of storage, I decided to upgrade to 512. And why not get a better camera to, you know, like to record content and take my pictures. So I didn't want to spend an extra, I think it's like $200 to get the iPhone 13 Pro, because my iPhone 11 did me just great. So I'm like, the iPhone 13 should do the same. I think I spent a total of $1,297 on this phone. If I got that wrong, I'm gonna just put that on the screen for y'all. This is the phone. And are y'all ready for me to unbox it? I'm ready. Before I unbox it, I just want to show you guys the tempered glass that I got. Amazon, everything, I got it from Amazon. I ended up buying a new adapter. I already have the fast charger for my 11. Well, it's not called, we call it the fast charger in the hood, y'all, but in reality it's called the USB power adapter. Sorry, y'all. Anyways, so you know, the USB charger with the power adapter, I got a new one so that, you know, for my 13, when that one give out, hopefully it don't give out soon, I'll have a new one. I got this beautiful purple case. Like I said, y'all, I love purple, so this is gonna be really cute on my phone. I love the quality of this. I think this is the one that I'm gonna put, and I got so excited, y'all, that I went ahead and got two. This is another purple case. This one looks like it's more protection, but I think I want to go with this one. I just love this, like, ooh, it's like a lilac, maybe lavender. It's so freaking pretty. So I may go with this one. So that's everything I got. Now it's time to unbox, y'all. It's time to unbox the 13. They used to have the plastic that you can just, you know, rip off, but now they have these little green tabs that you just have to like strip off. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so that's one, and that's two. Once you rip that off, y'all, it slides right out. Oh my god, this is so freaking pretty, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, do y'all see that? Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It is so freaking pretty. It's basically white, y'all. It's basically white. This is the cleanest I'll ever see my phone, y'all. It's so pretty, y'all. Look, so freaking pretty. So we're gonna slide it right off. Like, we just gotta take a moment and just, like, Apple know what they doing, y'all. Oh, it's so pretty. So I'm going from the lavender with a purple iPhone 11 to the Starlight 13. So So I'm just gonna go ahead and take it right out. Ooh, it slides right off. Ooh, this feels so freaking, it feels heavier than my 11. I don't know. And I'm just gonna peel this right off. Ooh, ooh. So that's the front, and here's the back. Actually, it feels lighter. I don't know. So I can see that the rims are definitely different from the 11. This is giving me more of the pro feel. I don't know. I don't know. I don't have a pro. My brother has a pro. So it's giving me more of the pro feel. I love the size. It's not too small. It's not too big. Already getting it dirty, y'all. Oh. So we're gonna go ahead and turn her on, y'all. I can see the buttons have changed slightly. It seems like it's lower, but we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. Okay, there we go, Apple. The Apple sign. Oh my God, that is so cute. It's the hello for me. So we're gonna go ahead and swipe up and get this transfer started. I'm gonna use my 11 as just like a backup phone. It's good to have two phones in my business. I might even use the 11 as a business phone, because I do want to get online for my business, and this will be my personal. So of course, English, United States, quick start. Bring your iPhone near this will sign in and set up. If your other iPhone doesn't show up. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up, y'all, my iPhone, and then we'll be right back. So the transfer completed. So it's already getting dirty and dusty. So my last picture is here on this phone, and literally everything transferred. Literally everything that was literally everything that was on my old phone is on this phone. I have so many apps, and that's another thing. So many apps, so much music, so many things on my freaking phone. Okay, so this is the complete transfer. Now I'm gonna show you guys the camera quality, and I know there's some new features that. So first thing that I see when I click the camera is the Photographic Styles. You can personalize the look of your photos by bringing your preferences into the capture. So pretty much it says you can choose a style. You can do the standard style. You can do a rich contrast, a vibrant contrast, a vibrant filter, a warm filter, and a cool filter. I like to edit my own picture, so I'm just gonna do the standard. And then this is what the camera looks like. There's this new cinematic video feature. Y'all, when I seen this on the unboxings that I watched, I was just so excited. So you can add beautiful shadow depth of field and focus transitions to your videos automatically. Honey, when I tell you my content about to be popping, it's really about to be popping. So we're gonna click continue, and let me see. I'm gonna just show you guys. I'm gonna record something. Well, my room not that cute right now. Record a couple things. I'm gonna record some stuff, and I'm gonna just put it on the screen for y'all to see. So yeah, so this is one of my candles. And you see how it completely blurs out the background? Like, that is so cool. So I put the focus on the bed and it blurs out the candle. That is super cool. We could put the focus right back on the candle. Oh my God, y'all, that's so cool. Now I'm going to show you guys the camera quality difference from the 11 compared to the 13. So I'm gonna do a video recording myself on both cameras, and you guys are gonna see the difference. So this is a side by side, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I like the 11 better. The 13 is showing too much. Like, I don't know. What y'all think? Which one y'all like better? Like, the 13 is showing a lot. Like, y'all all up in my grill right now. Like, I don't know. So this is the difference. So this is the phone that I had previously, the iPhone 11. And this is the iPhone 13. Like I said, I have the purple. This is it without a case. It is kind of run down, y'all. Ooh. Hold on. So this is what it looks like, y'all, side by side. Front and back. You can see the definitely, it's definitely a different quality. All right, y'all, so this is what it looks like with the case, y'all. I absolutely love my case. It's a silicone case. It feels so freaking soft. And then this is what it looks, the 11 looks like with the case. Yeah, it was time for an upgrade, y'all. So what I'm gonna do now is just add my tempered glass to my phone. All right, y'all, so to end off the video, we're going to, I want to show you guys, ooh. So this is what the box comes with, y'all. It comes with the USB charger. Well, it's not USB anymore. It's what, I forgot what it's called. I'll just put it down on the screen. Y'all, like, I can't make this up. The other part is the instructions, the Apple sticker, a chip to take off the USB, and the instructions. So yeah, so that's what the phone comes with. So I'm gonna go ahead and transfer my service to my new phone, and that is it for the unboxing. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry again for me looking like this doing the unboxing, but I just wanted to do it anyway. Follow my brand, the Snatch Collection, on Instagram. And yeah, y'all, I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will have everything linked down below in the description. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. Okay, bye.